I'm Greg and I'm the owner and operator of Murray Hill Apartments. We've had so many storms here. I mean, we had the ones that were 7 or 8 years ago. This last storm took out the new roofs, so we went with a heavier duty roof this time. We decided to do the siding on all 4 sides. The siding that was on the buildings was just pitiful, it was old, it was very brittle, and so we went with recommendations again from Interstate to do a siding that's backed with foam insulation. And then at the same point in time, we did windows, double pane. We had really bad windows here, and the new windows have cut down the street noise and everything dramatically. Tenants are really noticing. The other big thing that we did was the entryways. We had these giant windows that were really a hazard. They framed out a new wall, put insulation in it, small sight window up at the top, redesigned that whole thing and went with a really nice door that's now secured. It has a really good look now. When we go out and look at it, you'll see everything is straight down the buildings. It matches up really good. That's why I think we're going to be appealing to a different tenant base, because it's a much better product that we have. Trust is a big factor for me. If I don't know a company, in the end, do I want to live with, a bad job for years to come? And definitely the reason to go with Interstate is because of their reputation. And they're not going anywhere. Some of these other companies, they come in a couple years later, you got a problem and they're nowhere. They're back in Texas or someplace else.